Shandong MINGHUNG Wood Machinery Company Limited is one famous manufacturer of plywood machine in China, located in Linyi City, and is one of the famous plywood machinery manufacturers in China. Our products have obtained EU, CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CCEP, and energy saving certification. Our company integrates design, research and development, production and sales, and cooperates closely with China's advanced scientific research institutions. We have a strong research and development team, and our machinery has obtained a number of national patents. Pay more attention to machine details. Details determine success or failure. So, we continuously improve and optimize machine performance. Strictly control each production step, use advanced lathe processing machines, and pass multiple inspections to ensure that our machines are accurate and durable. Technological innovation-oriented, quality-oriented, service-oriented, to provide customers with a full range of plywood production solutions and technical support. And our machines have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions, such as the United States, Russia, Poland, Ukraine, Portugal, Bulgaria,